Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the background layer, and then make a stamped copy so you can compare before and after. Next, check the histogram to understand highlight clipping. It tells you where light effects are strongest. Use the spot healing brush at 50–70% hardness for small blooms and paint on the stamped layer. Once done, lower the stamped layer opacity slightly to preview. Make sure to save a copy with layers intact, so you can return if corrections are needed. Now focus on localized removal. Use clone stamp at 30–60% opacity to rebuild blown highlights by sampling adjacent texture. This keeps transitions smooth. For color shifts, switch to the healing brush on a new empty layer and set sample to current and below so edits remain editable. Then add a curves adjustment layer, invert its mask, and paint white where the light effect sits to selectively reduce brightness. This preserves midtones. Make sure to feather brush edges to avoid hard transitions, and check edges at 100%. To finish, refine by blending texture. Use frequency separation so you can fix color on the low layer and texture on the high layer. Set radius between 2 and 10 px depending on image resolution. If a color cast remains, add selective color or hue/saturation adjustments and mask to the affected area. Once you're satisfied, inspect at multiple zoom levels and compare to the original. Troubleshooting tip: if edges look synthetic, reduce clone/heal opacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.